Okay guys, so I received the WormGear, and this is a WormGear with a stepper motor mounted on, safely packaged. Been around the world, as you can see, but it's all fine, and it's got very good weight to it, nice weight. But of course we have the big NEMA 17. This is a 48 millimeter long NEMA 17 at 5.5 kilo per centimeter torque. So this is a big ass NEMA. We don't need that size, so you can change it if you want to, but this comes with the gear anyway, so just why not use it. I need to, of course, open the gear and have a look. Quality wise, I cannot say much other than it feels good. It feels good. It's said to be 1 to 17 in gearing. I need to find that out, what kind of gearing we have, but I ordered the 17 to 1. There are 3 choices in the link. This might be a good choice for the Viking, as we get all in one and all metal. Might be a good choice for the lifting the bed. Of course we have 8 millimeter axle on this gear. So we need to come from this axle over to the belts somehow. If you have any suggestion how to do that, please let me know. We can of course mount a pulley directly onto the axle. There are GT2 pulleys with 8 millimeter center holes. So I have those in stock, so I could try this. I need to wait for my other machine to test this. I do not want to take apart the Queen as she is right now. But I will dissect this. I will open it and look inside and see how the quality is. This is just first looks at this gear. You can get this gear in the link in the news. I will post the link also on the wiki and whatnot, so you have access to this gear for $35 US with the motor. So that's a good deal, I think. Yeah. So yeah, that's all from Valhalla for now. Have a nice one.